Welcome back. My name is Matthew McGuire. Right now we're looking over Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2014. We're going to create a little project and see how we can use the new text type tool to be able to enhance our projects. Let's start off by going to File, New, and we're going to use a standard 7 by 5. We're going to go by inches. We could also do it in pixels, but we're just going to do a 7 by 5, kind of a basic image structure. We'll call it Demo 5. We'll hit OK. Right now we have just a blank white backdrop. We could go to background here, double click, and you'll see this lock right now. When you double click on it and you hit layer 0, you can call it layer 1 if you like, you hit OK, you'll see that lock disappear. Now it is unlocked, so you're able to manipulate this layer. Let's double click on it again. We're going to see a color overlay option here. Let's click on the box, and now we're going to see if we click on the layer that it's going to allow us to manipulate the different colors. It goes to default red, but let's say we need it to go to a gray or a black, maybe a charcoal. And then we'll hit OK. We could turn the opacity down if we like, if we need to. But let's leave it there. We'll hit OK. Now we're going to go to our type tool, and we're going to make a text frame within our image frame. Let's make it centered, and then we're going to have it where the text, you can have it centered, you can have it left. It's all okay. We'll have the type of the text we'll have the color be white, and we're going to first see a couple of different fonts that come with the Photoshop program. What I've done recently is you'll see the type tool or the Typekit, the kind of favicon here next to my Adobe font. What I did is let's say I'm going to go out and search for that Adobe font. I've known about it and I want to find it. Let's say I go to Type at the top, and I hit Add Fonts from Typekit. Now it's going to take me online to within my Creative Cloud account. So now I'm online within my Creative Cloud, you can see here, and now I'm able to search through and kind of shop around the different typefaces, the different fonts that I like. So that's where I found the Adele. I said, all right, this is what I'd like. I found out that it's available on my desktop, and I went to Use Fonts. I've already added it, but you would go to Add. And then what my Creative Cloud did was, Creative Cloud added it right here, Adele and Adele Sans. So it added actually 8 font types total. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our project. We're going to go back to our text tool. We'll add that text frame once again. And it's kind of nice that Adobe is giving me that purple line letting me know the symmetry of the image. I'm going to let go here, about center, and then I'm going to go back to my Adele. I can do my Adele Sans italics, I can do a bold, and that's what they're doing when they're downloading multiple fonts. There is a separate font for the italic and the bold. Right now I'm in bold, and we'll just call it Typeface 2014. That might be a specific typeface that you need for a project. Click off and hover down, you can start to see where Adobe Photoshop is giving us that symmetry line and let us know when we're in the middle. You can see there, once again, dead middle. So perfect. We're starting to build a graphic image from pretty much scratch, and we're able to pick specific typefaces from online in the Creative Cloud library. One element that I think is really great about Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud